How to draw Spud from chip and potato, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Spud, we're going to begin by drawing a large shape that looks similar to a triangle, but all of the points will be curved toward the top center of our page. This will be the bill of Spud's hat. Now we will draw the second piece of the hat on top of the shape that we just drew by using a big curved line that looks similar to a big upside down U. Additionally, right above what we just made and connected, we're going to draw a small shape that looks similar to a little rectangle. So now we're almost all done drawing the hat of Spud. We just have to make one more thing, which will be the paw design in the top center of the hat. In total, the paw design should have 4 toes. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Untitled Chapter Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. Now once we're all done drawing the hat of Spud, the next step will be to draw the snout along with the nose and the mouth. We will first begin by drawing the nose. And connected to the bottom of the nose, we're going to make the mouth, where it will appear as if Spud is smiling. And for the last step of drawing the snout, we're going to make 2 big circles around everything that we just drew, one on the outside of the other. Now that we're all done drawing the nose and the snout, we can go ahead and draw the eyes. Beginning on the right hand side, we're going to make a big circle that is connected to everything that we just drew. Then, on the inside of the big circle that we draw together, we're going to make a smaller circle for the inside of the eye. Now on the inside of that smaller circle that we just drew, we're going to draw 2 more even smaller circles for the pupils. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now once we're all done drawing the right eye, let's move right above and draw the right eyebrow. Nice, so far we have drawn the snout, the eye, the eyebrow, along with the hat. Now let's move over to the left hand side and let's draw the second eye along with second eyebrow. This will be done the same way that we just drew the right one. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so that we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Now once we draw the second eyebrow right here, we're going to go ahead and draw the right ear along with the outline of the face of Spud. So now on the right hand side, right beneath the hat, let's go ahead and draw the first ear, then we'll come back and draw the second one a little bit later on. Now let's draw the outline of the face. Let's draw a small line right here connecting the hat to the ear, then we'll make a big outline around everything that we just drew, which will come back to the ear that we just made. And if I ever go too fast, or if you want to see something a second time, then just pause or rewind the video as you need to. Now before I connect this to the ear, I'm going to pause right here, and then I'm going to draw an upside down curved line, which will be the top of Spud's arm. Now let's draw a line connecting the ear to the curved line that we just drew. So now we only have one ear drawn for Spud so far. Let's move over to the left side of the face and draw the second ear, which will be similar to the same size as the one that we first drew. Then, before we color, this will be the last step of drawing Spud's face. Now if we're all done, let's continue. So if you see where we made that curved line right by the face, we're going to go right down here and we're going to draw the first arm of Spud. So we're going to extend the arm, and then we're going to draw a straight line, which will make the arm sleeve, and then on top of the arm sleeve, we're going to draw a curved line, which will be the hand. So Spud has two hoodie strings coming down from his hoodie, so we're going to go right beneath the face in the center and draw two long hoodie strings. The strings will look similar to a long rectangle going up and down with a smaller rectangle on the bottom. So now if you're thinking, well Nathan, let's go ahead and draw the top of the body and the left arm. Well, we're not going to do that just yet. We're going to go ahead and draw the waistline along with the legs of Spud, which will be fairly short. Drawing the lower body will make it a little bit easier to draw the upper body first, especially with having that waistline in place. Now we'll just draw a simple curved line going up and down to connect the face to the left side of the left leg. Oh, I forgot to do one thing on the legs. I'm going to go ahead and add in two stripes going up and down for a little bit of detail on the right leg of Spud. Now let's go back to where we previously were so that we can draw the left arm. Now last but not least, underneath each of the legs, let's go ahead and draw the shoes. Then once we're all done drawing the outline of the shoes, we'll add a little bit of detail on the inside. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Spud from Chip and Potato, and if you're looking for a new drawing to watch, then check out our recent drawing of How to Draw Chip and Potato. And don't forget, the next I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, and give this video a big like if you enjoyed it today. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.